Here is the payoff. Claude has turned one original Lighthouse premise into a structured 6-beat mystery outline and a complete 120-word opening scene. The scene creates tension, introduces the strange 1111 light, and keeps the central mystery unresolved. I will show you how to request both planning and prose in one clear creative writing prompt on Android. Open Claude and tap the 3-line menu in the upper left corner. Select New Chat at the bottom of the panel. Starting a blank conversation keeps unrelated context out of the writing exercise. Before typing, decide on a premise, a story structure, a target length, a tone, and one creative constraint you want Claude to respect. This prompt supplies an original premise about an abandoned lighthouse that turns on every night at 11:11. It asks for a 6-beat outline with a protagonist, goal, obstacle, midpoint reveal, climax, and ending. It then requests a 120-word opening in a tense but accessible style. With the lighthouse mystery still unresolved, send the prompt. Claude now has specific creative boundaries instead of a vague request to write a story. Review the outline before using the prose. The response is divided into 6 numbered beats, so you can check whether the character, objective, complication, reveal, climax, and ending form a usable progression. Scroll through the later beats and look for contradictions or missing motivation. If a beat does not serve your premise, ask Claude to revise that beat before expanding the story. Next, inspect the section labeled Opening Scene. The response follows the requested short length and uses concrete details to establish place and tension. Notice how the opening does not explain the lighthouse immediately. That constraint leaves the reader with a question and gives the later outline room to develop. Treat the generated prose as a draft, then adjust voice and wording to make it your own. Read through the final lines and confirm that the opening stops before solving the mystery. This is the useful pattern. Provide an original premise, name the exact structural beats, set a word count and tone, then add a clear story constraint. Review the outline first, inspect the prose second, and request focused revisions instead of restarting with a vague prompt. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.